Line L1 has the equation, point A has the coordinate, is the intersection of L1 and L2, and L1 is perpendicular to L1. Okay, whenever two lines are perpendicular, their gradients have this relation. This is what we are going to use. Okay, write down the equation of L2, giving you answer in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Now they are saying that point A has the coordinate and is the intersection of L1 and L2. Let us assume that this is L1. 5y minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is L2. Okay. And the point of intersection of L1 and L2 is this point, x comma 3. And yeah, that's it. They are perpendicular as well. Okay. So this x comma 3 will lie on this line. I can get the coordinate of point of intersection. From this equation, I will get the gradient. Let's say that is m1. Then using m1, m2 is equal to minus 1, I'll get m2 also. If I have if I have gradient and if I have a point, I can use this equation to get the final form. Okay, take it like a hint, quickly do it. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, I'll start my working till the time you give it a try.
No, sir, I have a doubt in this question. That's why I called.
Okay, let us see. Step number 1 is to get the gradient of the first line. Okay, how to get it? We will convert that in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Okay,
Yeah.
focus on the working carefully. 5y minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 5y is equal to 2x minus 1 and y will be equal to 2 by 5x minus 1 by 5. That is my step number 1. From there, by observation, I can get the gradient as 2 by 5. I can write m1 as 2 by 5. So since L2 is perpendicular to L1, so the gradient m2 will be negative reciprocal of m1. That will be minus 5 by 2.
Okay. So and there's like difference, right? The perpendicular one is M1, M2. For parallel also there's another one, right? Or is it for intersect?
It is equal to. For parallel, slopes will be same. The gradient will be same.
Okay. And there's another one also, right? Aside from perpendicular and parallel.
No, 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 no. You are
This
mixing
is
two
these two.
things together. Okay, you are mixing this with solving two linear equations simultaneously. Over there were three conditions:
Yeah.
intersecting line, parallel lines, and coincident lines.
Yeah. Okay. So it's not like that.
Okay, it is different. Here we are just
Okay.
talking about parallel and perpendicular lines. Okay, so we got the gradient. Now what I will do, the next step should be x comma 3, I should substitute in the equation, in the given equation, to get the y value, to get the x value particularly. Okay, so that will give me the point on the line L2. Also I need 1 point, so substituting x comma 3 in L1 will give me 5 times 3 minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 15 minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x will be equal to 16 and x will be equal to 8. Okay, I got x. I got x means I have obtained the point. Point is 8 comma 3. This is a common point for both the lines, so it will definitely lie on the required line as well. Now the last step of the question is, if we have gradient, if we have this point, then we are going to use it in this y is equal to mx plus c. So it will be y is equal to minus 5 by 2 x plus c. Putting 8 comma 3 in place of x and y will give me the value of c, and I can put back the value of c over here, and that will become my answer.
Okay. So
So 3 is equal to minus 5 by 2 times 8 plus c. 2 ones are 2 fours are 5 fours are 20. 20 goes there. It will be 23. The value of c is 23. And y is equal to minus 5 by 2 x plus 23. Okay, have a look at the whole solution. If there is any doubt in any of the step, you can ask. And if it is done, let me know. I repeat the process. First, we will be using distance formula. Distance formula, if I apply that, I will get x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 12 square. Okay, what is the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That square root is directly squared up. That's why it is written as 12 square. Now here my suggestion is that before actually starting, you should replace the y value by this minus 5 by 2x plus 23. Okay, so x minus 8 whole square plus minus 5 by 2x plus 23 minus 3 whole square is equal to 144. This equation can be plugged in the calculator as well, and you can get the solution from there as well.
So why can we substitute y for that
So that
value?
we can get one variable to solve.
No, sir, I understood that. So, but how can we do that?
Okay, read the question. First line of the question is this. B lies on L2. Okay, B lies on L2 means it will satisfy the equation of L2. The equation of L2 is that y is equal to minus 5 by 2x plus 23.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's connected like that. Okay, so after this, you have two options. Like if you want to expand it, it can be definitely done. But I will suggest put it in the calculator and try to get the answer from there. Okay, this whole thing can be inserted in the calculator and you can solve and get the answer. Good tool. In exam, everyone else will be using it, so you should also know. Rishon, any progress at your end? Did you get
No,
any?
sir, not much.
Okay, no problem. For now, just make sure that you are clear with the method that how we got this. Okay. For time being, try to use Desmos for getting the answers. Okay. And at your end also do some research on YouTube, everyone. Okay. And try to get all the features, at least the basic features which we are using right now of your calculator. Okay. If you try to do research on your own, it will be the best thing. From my side, I'll tell you the general functionalities. Okay. Not specific to what your model is. Okay. Let us quickly try one more question before ending the session. The points K and N lie on the line L1. Kn has the length of 5 units. Find all possible values of x and y. Okay. So this is also a painful question, and you can see it is of 8 marks. Okay. So we have to show the steps. We can't put everything directly into the calculator. So what they are saying that this lies on L1. Okay. What is L1? L1 is 5y minus 2x plus 1.
So is it the same question?
Yeah, it should be the same question because though they are showing different, but from where we will get L1?
Yeah, I think it's a printing mistake or something.
5y minus 2x plus 1. I'll just show you the concept first. So this is the equation. Both the points are lying on it. So we have to use the same logic. Like over here also we wrote it in the form of y is equal to minus, not minus, it will be 2 by 5 x minus 1 by 5. This form you should always convert, okay? And then on this, we have randomly some point k and n whose coordinates are 6 comma y and x comma 9. Kn has a length of 5 units, okay? I will apply the distance formula before substituting. So distance formula will be x minus 6 whole square plus 9 minus y whole square is equal to 5 square. Okay, this is same as the previous question. Now I need to get the possible values of x and y. So I have to do one substitution that will be for y only. So x minus 6 whole square plus 9 minus this whole thing will be substituted because that is the equation. 2 by 5x minus 1 by 5 whole square of this. Okay, calculation will be bit complicated, but no option. 9 plus 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5x whole square is equal to 25. Okay, after this, there are two ways. Either you can make a graph, okay, or you can put it in the solver and you can get the respective x values. There will be two x values you should get, and corresponding to those x values, you have to put it over here to get two y values. So those will be the possible values of x and y. Okay. For now, just focus on the concept that how it is being done. That solving part, calculator part will be sorted soon. Okay, we have to work on it separately. So is there any conceptual doubt in the question?
Mm,
If there is point A and B having coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2, AB is just a line for illustrative purpose. It is not a horizontal one. It can be anywhere. Okay. So the distance AB will be equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, this is the distance formula which we are using repeatedly. Okay, Raghav, alive?
Yes, sir, life.